Today we are going to talk about convergence of length, area, and volume. For volumes, we have centimeter cube or meter cube or millimeter cube. Like there's a difference of squares and cubes over here. We'll apply this change on our convergent chain, which we have over here. Kilometer cube, meter cube, centimeter cube, and millimeter cube. And for that, I'm going to take the cube of these multiplier. Cube here, here, and lastly, here. So this is now the convergent chain for volume. That's it. Now let's see a few questions for the conversion of volume, in which we are going from smaller units to the larger units. So first we have 80 millimeter cube, and we are going from 80 millimeter cube to a meter cube. So first step is going to be our centimeter cube, and then we'll move on to meter cube. So first we'll have to divide 80 by 1000, because like 10 cube is 1000, and then we need to divide by a cube of 100, which is 1 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. We can add the total number of zeros, which is 9 zeros, and we can directly say that in order to go from 80 millimeters cube to 80 meter cube, we'll need to divide obviously by 10 to the power of 9, because there are a total of 6 and 3 9 zeros. So here we can say that 80 divided by 10 to the power of 9, which means that the decimal will go 9 places back. Either that, or you can just write it in standard form as 8.0 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 8. Well, I'm not writing minus sign because you can see here we have 80 and here we have 8.1. Similarly, you have to remember the units. The units are now changed. It's meter cube. After that, we have 60,000 centimeter cube into kilometer cube. So centimeter cube to meter cube, and then from meter cube to we'll go kilometer cube. Well, this will be a little large because now 1000 cube is actually 9 zeros, you can say. So it is actually 10 to the power of 9 directly. So here we have 10 to the power of 9, and here we have 10 to the power of 6, you can say. So 9 plus 6, a total of 10 to the power of 15. So we'll have to divide by 10 to the power of 15 over here. Okay, so we'll have 60,000, 3, 4, 5 divided by 10 to the power of 15, and we'll get, well, look, as we have 10 to the power of 15, we can go backwards like 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So we can convert it as 6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 kilometer cube. These were the basic conversions of length, area, and volume through the conversion train. And the changes that you can make: for areas, you're going to square; for volume, you're going to cube the multipliers, and that's it. So this is all for today. Hope you understood all the conversions nicely. If there are any questions or there are any queries, let me know in the comment section. I would love to answer them. Take care. Allah Hafiz.